Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. This video is going to demonstrate how to adjust angle difference of scale through GMT-H4. Vary from the traditional weighing system, adjust angle difference of scale is complicated. GMT-H4 can easily handle this problem. When installing multiple load cells, we need to make sure the balance and minimize the scale angle difference. GMT-H4 can analyze the status of each load cell and determine whether the force on the load cell is even or not. There are two steps of adjusting the angle difference by GMT-H4. First, load cell force balance adjustment. Second, angle difference correction factor sampling. Firstly, let's set the load cell parameters. After load cell installation, power on the instrument. Press Enter, then right button to find the scale parameters. Select the sensor channel, press Enter. Enter the password and open 4 channels. Set channel 1, 2, 3, 4 as a tick. Then return to previous page. Select the sensor param set, input the sensitivity and weight range. Here you can choose quick setup or individual channel setup. GMT-H4 has 4 channel. You can set the load cell parameters through the individual channel setup mode, or the quick setup is to input the average value of all load cells parameters, which may affect the accuracy. So we recommend to use an individual channel setup. Select channel 1, press Enter, and input the load cell sensitivity 2.004 millivolts per volt. Then press Enter to confirm. Select weight range of channel 1, input 50 kilogram, then Enter to confirm. Repeat the above setting for channel 2, 3, 4. The sensitivity should be set according to the actual situation of the load cell label. Complete the setting, then set the force threshold and alerts. Press ESC to the scale param. Press right button to basic param. Press down button and select 34 scale unbalanced alarm. Then press down button to select force threshold. The default value is 2%. The value range is 0 to 100.0%. We keep the default value here. Press Enter to confirm. Press up button to select 341 scale alarm switch. Switch on, which means H4 will automatically alarm to indicate the unbalanced channel when detected. If set to off, it will not hint. After parameter setting, back to the main page. Long press right button for 3 seconds. The OLED screen jumps into the load cell installation debugging interface. If it shows the install, okay, there is no need for any adjustment. If it shows force deviation, then you need to adjust the load cell force balance. For example, the current interface shows that the force on channel 4 is uneven. Tolerances 0.100 millivolt. Actual deviation 0.2275 millivolt. Actual deviation greater than tolerances. So the load cell force is uneven. We can adjust load cell force point to solve the problem. Here we adjust the load cell stress point in channel 4. The instrument shows the install, okay? Then the adjustment is complete. After the force balance adjustment, we can enter the process of angle difference correction factor sampling. At the main interface, press Enter to enter the calibration scale. Press down button to select the angular correction. Press down button to switch. First, select the angular difference coefficient. Press Enter to check the value, and press down button to view the angular difference coefficient of channel 2, 3, 4. The default value of the angular coefficient is 1. Press ESC to return. Select angular correction sample. Enter the password. Keep the scale empty. Press Enter to confirm. Then follow the prompts. Load weights on the platform. Only forcing on one load cell point as much as possible. Wait for stability and press Enter to complete the first sampling. Then we move the weight to another load cell point. Wait for stability. Press Enter to complete the second sampling. Repeat the above operation. Complete all sampling. Next, select the angular correct factor. You can see the results of the correction by instrument. Because of the force bias, the angular difference coefficient of each channel will be subtle different. Press ESC to return to the main page. Put the weight in the center and each angle of the scale. You can see that the weights are all the same at different points, which means the load cells are under uniform force. Meanwhile, we can set the angular difference coefficient manually. Press Enter to switch to the angular correction. Select the angular correct factor. Press Enter to modify. But we advise to use intelligent correction by instrument, not manual modification. That's all for adjusting the angle difference by GMT-H4. Next video, we will demonstrate how to troubleshoot load cell installation by using GMT-H4.